Yensa. Oh, see a cast will be out Junisha, Yan and Yatim did you. Who sooner will buy when they ya would dine at dinner. And the Mayan who said, what Junisha, we are maturity. The way at what you say, winning the consequences are a womb. Baumiana says, I dear as you. Baumiana call voter regional tea. A brow weird warrior in the campaign, one of Kaka said. And this if you say, or no, yes, ceremony, cramoni. Na nyadie se MPP fo beto abama so ka sa story na enu nti wo ka kire wo nuanum zongofo na hye ne bose wo ka sa story no ba wumi o onuanum zongofo no ahye ne bose se MPP fo de man nko ade a on beto abanti obeye andi si ni doma ama showdown e wo zongos ani fo na te onya enkramofo na te Oti wawon fere be kase NDC fo wo win satin kramofo na wan ana man kramosom no agin hini wa Ghana ha NDC ana man kramosom holiday na woni holiday and NDC regime ana ya ma wo de ede afata ni de adana ya ye ni public holiday okwa anu ma quotation de menkai bakramoni bia wo tie bia ntie mesameboa wasi se wonu ye kramoni mpo na se onya de bia obaboa wa ma wosom na nyini a ye ne totwene na kofa wo bia wonu wonni sa agidi kronu wonye kramoni na emom wo boa ma wo kramosom anyini it is in the Quran ba wum ya baye na nsane ne ya galu honya kramo community asojafo ekohwehwe nkrofo asama honya kramo community nyezongos Asoja for what is about me just one platform so cry according sa acting. Adam ibusao. Ba umiana waso yesiremuni eti wo yesiremuni wo ba eti ni nuanum semufo nto aba mana do mama do yesiremuni na sabe wan wale any bole hona ke traditionally a hona wodini. Kajira me hona wodini. I say wo akan nyina ne akase asante eni bia asen. Obia meka twa se asante wodini sinsahwi ana meboa enya aye wo be se tribalistic aye reality gonja ewan wonyam sine walewalefo am ye defo enti se ye kan no dina na sirimfo ana sabi entafo e wodina wotimi mfa ho kura toto jo mama enti dia wo kan kire asum na wuwo mu no na de yemfa ni se muntakas haruna idrusus ane ndc gulus ni nyina ye nkramfo etu omu nyina so beto abama wo bawumia biko wo ye kramoni na MPP fo no so mu so ye Christopher agidifo no eso nyina ndi sa so beto aba ama to mama because so ye Assemblies of God ni vote to send na bawumia wo benya and see ye politics na see ye say ye nkon religious title me when ye woni me madam for power bia wonim bia wo politics mu pa madam for pa number 1 aye Musa Abatwa oye kramoni Baba Wudu oye kramoni Abdallah Said oye kramoni minua Abdallah wa aguna minna fofua kese pa in terms of because Musa Abatwa enna mi frame Musa say Musa me ko baby na mi pemoto Musa de be kase Musa ne mabeduru ya baby wo bi oba be fa me minua na je wonye because won sam yandisi ni eso me yasantini ti sawa as what done in you. What you say? Enti, ye me mom say MPP for number 1 ho kwan. No more you so religious because it say John Mama de we ye Christo no Islamni so nye Muslim. Na e ho so na we nya ni vote. Eti say amu nua ba. Eti monto abamma no mu nua kramoni ba. Sabi ye nua no kramofo no nya mo o. Because what na change some of ba ya wo kanyina. Ase wo inciting kramofo na tikatie enkramofo ni nim se NDC ana man kramosom etimi agin hini omu national headquarters esiwo so kai eye Rollins ene ma omu land etimi nya kokoduro di call parliament se mundi marketing land we se mfama wo mu na takifo mesi edan we mfama wo mu enti back to my question no Dr. Baumiana ena abeto dwase mostemo pe ba mu nsuro no madam we man pipi nim say ye nsuro Baumia enu nti no ma chance ye di eson okay eye campaign na say esum mpo ana mo de ye campaign a Tinam ka to say odi enkramofo nyina ntoma bawumia.
All right.
Ope so ka tell Christopher so mbi o magimi. Me call me root. But when tinam ka say MPP ye ka politics awon. Omo ye destroyers of the nation democracy. Adia mo kanu won fa mo say resource ne nsunsuaso ade beba daachi o. Or can because of your power. She Baumia de Yenina Yenim, one people new planning Baumia de 2024 Belusulation. Now, Lusulation, next in a one sound for now, Mana or Fanny Bafufroba. A fair same message Ben Abakacha Union and Camufona would dig Baumia Bayer campaign. She Canada Japan, say they're not NDC, Yan Mubi. Yet Guinea and I slow Canada Japan, Kakran say. So what they want Baumia compare. Can a Japan will be a or appeal to the grassroots?
Okay.
Can a Japan will be a or you creative? Can a Japan will be a or Canadian and Ghana for so penny power ye fair?
All right.
On penny power ye da for. And can a Japan Kuan will be an anchor or bar MPP seat in this one. And go betting ye united Baumia Crawford and united Alan Crawford.
All right.
Baumia so ye bema pa. Won't conquer country and say all some back to the party. Remember, almost to a baby. So, what in 3 days as I say, yes, walk or are you fee?
Okay, a honorable Canadian.
Can I get poor fee? One more we near Bannery, I don't want coffee anima.
Oh, send a Biana.
A Biana, the
Biana, I don't name, say you of course. As if you me fear, I'm about I'm Conajo. Let it go foul. Next to energy.
Check the word carrying when he answers who grew. Canada Japan will be a Canada Japan to meet your prayer for the car say, or Belpoa, I'm one winning. Alan and Casa, Alan Bofu. Because when you say establishment, I'm with the year to man, minute or man for no. They say, Pano, and there was a what Tina will start the war, Irano, and your question because Christo years to can say, Papa Bia will one way war. And what didn't ever have not caught. And not back up, pay Yalan Cassi, Yano. Why yan cash one confection upon a Greek minister? But Jim Bano, who be quack pay and cash back open with Janet because when him send the Madame Moyade, Montemo, where Banyan to a cockran, blah 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 man, blah blah man, but dear, why you ran dear? Will be a canon, will nimbe be a walker, and tis about me, and will be politically matured. I will know how to take an election by stormer. Anka onu ne ho and there was work up. Na kanya Canada Japan now they what support to from day one about me. And the American in say e did the win MPP.
Okay.
Number 1 MPP person who criticizing be say but we are credit go ba win. Enti so mu ewiemu a na yes akase oh.
Owiemu dey say.
Oh yes. Adie me en sap madam ana 2024 e betimi save MPP. Number 1 some be use letter commission dey ewiemu.
Wow.
Ombe use military. Adi abutalazi amanfo said omo ye no tachiman. Eni se hwi so. Ene 2020 election to ye tachiman. But B yentimi kai up to now. Oko se hwi so a asami su book A up to now ye nim vote ye nya.
All right offer.
And number 3 the twa say ombe use judicially. Do be kan say court. It is a watcher to my 1 year. One say, oh, my appointed one communicators. Send a Nigeria, have any call radio to come in. Near appointing one quiet electoral commissioner. Does it make sense? And will be a day. And to me, they may catch the NDC for only Ghana for me. Say, you're too abandoning.
Okay.
Never when you never sorry as on Atanichi. Name see a two abano. Nessa Baumian when it. Nessa a binding seminar Tisunti. May use military and
I declare no.
Messi,
declare.
Oh, some of my bidder. 2024 election, I go for the Lusui.
Oh,
touching my Messi, I go for the state institutions, and I did so, and I acting in some man. Upon a new to say, you know, I never for the national. It is already sad and bad dear. The bedroom say, Yentasuko, we knew. Because ye dear in Tiasun Ghana, 18 continue.
Outside that civil brain, Yakopo in shower. Lady,
10 minutes.
Of a man who said 10 minutes. So I'm giving you 10 minutes. May interrupt so. We are pay Namco family course, me pig DBI.
Ghana and ship. Ghana Bay ye. Ghana Bay ye, MPP and Quan bet me a Ghana ye. because NDC for no Matnas radio so TV so akasasa but who say omo de any policy alternative ahodoaba ntom kasa bebrebe ni nyina no eye bibia o omo nimpefe say papa na omo ye campaign man no onye credible omo nim say papa no pa omo ye campaign man say ombedi oman nanimu biom de omahama no oye incompetent NDC for no omo nim tina spio gabra ka kire wo. So, don't elect a corrupt and incompetent leader like John Mahama. Spio Gabriel na catch the NDC for say John Mahama or ye corrupt or ye incompetent. Demand this for to a mama no more be party in any mubium. And after so Sylvester Mensa, Sylvester Tete, former venture capital CEO. And also National Health Insurance CEO under John Mahama. Or say it will be a useless exercise to vote for one-term candidate like John Mahama. It will be a useless exercise. It ends if one say former President John Dramani Mahama or ye incompetent. But omo packaging is say Fanimesha Ghana for so. You no wonder say. And the omuto the tribe, the tribalism of this country. Some person mudin chichemuba and Muslimi for and a Christo for. That's tribal politics in a shame. So to say, a term. You better keep quiet. Why not? You're too about Massa. Yet two about group. Yet two about group. What is MPP Nibia Contra Radio? So, I can't about me criminality, Oberini, about me criminality, Oberini. What is MPP Nibia? You've been out here, can in a year, some job. You must say, better keep quiet. Who's young people? Some judge, work for the Mammy for some point. Also, 10 minutes and one bemba crab patch. Mammy for a yes, Amijan Fidian and Chasse. Or say, the country cannot afford to have a Muslim as president. Sami Jemfi on News Africa. On News Africa. What can we be some judge? Or say any Muslim who enters first saying. Any Muslim who enters the church is a religious prostitute. I heard that one line. Some judge can on Metro TV. MPP or MPP ni. I didn't know about na krum ha. Now painting picture be as if you say MPP for ye ni eti krum ha. Yeah, that tribal politics no. Besides, as some Muammar and then say a Muslim cannot be a president. And a Muslim for na swarieti as there be. Penin kasasa mo kasa sabi montena sena mwene mienu to betena krom ha na be paint picture bi MPP for na Asia tribe ba unya na yeyi no ne huhu na atom so amamo kasa bebre wo krom ha sa no. Besides Ghana ye din ni nyina ya se Ghana ye din ni nyina no eye better than John Mahama era. Eye better than John Mahama era because ask yourself and then ka woman ko 3 senior omuko eye SS na Nkasikasa na ofa ko tua admission fee. Ask yourself say, Sanka Free Senior High School ni hwa. E ka bisa nsa ho kire na dizen wo grom. Akwaya ya ye wo Ghana ha me na neje mentra ha nka nkyerɛ say, ya ye Ghana akwan nyina. But akwaya ya ye wo Ghana ha no, eye more than the NDC ye. Ye wa Ashanti region, ma me limit me ho to Ashanti region. Na me throw a challenge. E ma no say, MPP less than 8 years in Ashanti region. Kilometers of roads are about Ashanti region. 1,800 kilometers of roads. Okay. 1,800 kilometers of roads. May there end this phone. I'm saying kilometers of roads are about Ashanti region in almost 8 years period. Akwai MPP aye bipa. Interchanges are hodwo yaje bipa. Obetina have a chance trobi. Say 3K water project be KKK water project be Kumawu, Konongo and Akwawu. John Mahama na yeye unnim ne woka go and check your facts well tina make tell say yeah ti aye kasa it doesn't mean so mo hwe no ye nim nyansa chen wo mo they know o nim pa no maye kom no mo hwe 3K o ma pedi bufo na chance ye bisa wo say yin fa na John Mahama no o ko Jesus kan po bae unim be bi o ma pedi bufo ko Jesus kan bae. You don't know, you have no idea about that, but talk better radio Sunny TV so you just want to say obey propaganda. Jai de wo kan ko ka baby abium eti nyuma MPP aye no enu ne yekoto amaga na fo ye ni bibia yekoto ye ni ewiemu ye nko wiemu wo ba bia ne mum nyuma ayaye na hwan no pese Ghana kosoro beto na abama ndisi hwan no pese Ghana di Ghana tumpon a osu me kotoma abama ndisi obien ho be yesa because ndisi no oba wo de oman ni titisan ko nachi and MVP hwan ye shi nyina no oni made ntia because ya blocky enyoma baby a loopholes na nkrofo efa so ye de ewie sika ya blocking the loopholes and then Dr. Baumia na wo kana asem no ECG yenko ECG yenko hwe de Dr. Baumia ye ho wa ma revenue a eba ECG no e shuti up nkane no na revenue mu nya no na e form and then Dr. Baumia da rumai wa ma revenue e shuti up go to port and let's go and see port nimpono John Mahama de sia wa Ghana fonchen ye John Mahama e de Ghana port tema port esia wa for 35 good years and ye sia ko fa John Mahama ababio and this is yen ko fa John Mahama mbrebio and the Ghana ni control kese e wa tema port o John Mahama de sia wa for 35 good years agi almost $7 billion yembisa Ghana yembisa NDC for $7 billion no mo de ye de Dear John Mahama nini NDC no omde $7 billion ne yede yeah and the water tena kroma say ye the tax akwakoto nyoma boa yede ne nyame be busamo because tamaport na mde akosi awa ade ma friend investor Vincent Balori for 35 good years no why na enko yi nyoma obeko scot free. What are you talking about? It me say Ghana for. Hey, and yes about me I nodna. Okay. And now you Muslimi. Baumia ye competent. Yan shed ye wo baumia mu. Na obi ye Christoni. Na se Christoni no oni mamemua. O se chichire twa me kofa Christoni na ba. Na se Muslimi na se nodna do betumi aye ne yia. O se me jai eno ato ho na makwa akofa esa so ye Christoni. Ghana for se men kan kire ndisi for ne nkro for se o ma pasa propaganda no. Say the open say ideas for ideas bra. Wo 24-hour economy na okoka ye no Ghana for say ya dia to nsuom enya papa unima de kwa woka because already your companies any service we work room a omu nyina no run 24-hour and e bisa no say farmers no koye sa 24-hour economy na ma o mana farmers no koye ma o mana say him for no koye ma o is these people they have no clue in governance. They have no clue. It won't need clue in governance. In some say having a better reduce no akeka. So I say, and ne Dr. Baumia ya wo kana asemi. And ne enkane John Mahama teso no na Ghana nyina ya pe passport ane kon kran. Me bo am kan dam se me bo. Na Ghana nyina ya pe passport ade se ya kon kran. And we betumi take over 6 months. 1 year ansa na onsaka passport. Me bo ana. And ne Dr. Baumia da Roma. And na sit na ofie. Na wa apply passport. Now less than a month onsaka ka passport. This is the vice president and this is the person. The person will lead your mind to a promised land.
But Nana, how did you person me kakra because staying in so better than we now I plan 1 year in a month. Sometimes it doesn't really work. Unless you go there.
Oh, say who apply we be you child be behavior. Obe call office why there. Akwa ye biometric. So I say, me na neje me me passport. Me tina me am fee. Su me am document e kra me. Me apply in June. July na me saka.
Is it because you're an MP?
No. Me use the right channel. Man use the protocol. Me use the right channel. Me ko twa me biometric e we duma say yes senate nchen hono.
Because me
e hono me ko ye me de.
Me cramp
premium. Me ye ni premium.
Okay.
So what I say.
All right.
Me ye ni premium.
Okay.
Dr. Baumia na ye ni sa o. O sit na ofi nkane no ye nyina ye fa ka konkran. John Mahama oteso de no tumi ye fa ho. John Mahama oteso no de no tumi fa ye fa ho. Ebio ask yourself. And the tia emofra bo Dr. Baumia basu nyina. Esa NHIS no. Nkane no na uko ekokotena eye omo office. Ube delay so person renew mpa. Ube delay for over months. Dr. Baumia said na ofie use your mobile phone. Na fa renew eye NHI. Anything happen for about time bo Dr. Baumia basu no. So I say, it's a head na John Mahama ye competent enough to papa we.
Alright.
Ebio mame fa manu si wa ha. And now that them na show your mudum kane and say like to prepared ne sa. Dr. Baumia said na ofie fa phone. Na tom kane ne bi e free eye we ne so. This is the man we are talking about. Hey, abroche ko asanyoma ni nyina ni ho. And na sa Ghana card ye kan ho asem yi. Ankrofo omu suro Ghana card kakayo se kakamoto bi ha wo mu. And now ko abroche obi a unique number. uko diboni ya ebechewu mebo am kan jamza mebo and this Ghana card that Dr. Bawumia Daruma o lead or champion ye no and me no ka say 40,000 airport across the world at Ghana card atum ene o Germany o UK o US na say wo say o ba wo memu na say wo mfa your passport now you can use this Ghana card. This is the man we are presenting to the Ghanaian people. Eya then I wouldn't confirm any kukwa kitten say me the omo no kwa koma first Ghana
me da CP offer we got 2 seconds me uncle.
Bibia make you very bad. Your time is very bad.
I say wa kwa chem so on kasa na offer
ankasa no adwini nyansa
offer eya na ndia
so important ya na ne de no kan brofo ntina ye o say o wo so kan no mebo mimi nka do me kan twi o kan brofo ntina na ye o say e wo say
brofo be na make atom didie be
me see adwini ni nyansa ye di
NDC de mu ni bi NDC ni bi kasa NDC ni bi
especially Bawumia
hwe
because omo kan sama ha say akwala ya wo ne ne no oka yemfa ni say Airbus scandal eye no kure do mama ahofo for mu waba 7 good years abanya wo ye badwin banyansafo a ankata wo ye hu aduma wuti ye ka che se do mama ton airport anase ayi port aya no kure wo ba ya wo see deals ahodo a ewo ho contractors kure wo Ghana no wutimi di o motena wo 1 year se mon family men hwehwem ti so nim nyansa asaban Akufo Addo Bawumia ban a na se wo bia ye deal na se ene wo man ne nya and then ka won kunye hu aduma na say won twa dey no because o kai say o ka kire say interoperability ya onka domama ye ni say won so mo kas mtin ka so mo adwene wo fomo wo si mo na wo de baaye but ne won kana fidie so me hu say aya aduma domama and start ye anka wo bu ya wo ban na abeye ni ye me ni say enye wadwene ni wunyansa eto so me no
okay
because o mo youth organizer but o tie na so ma wakan
Fajre itevo fake stamps in the boss fake stamp in the boss so fajre o de fajre o na mi fajre o mo na ye ni say no bia
no too long
fake
it's time for Muslims to leave Ghana
fake
right
salam MPP National Youth Organizer
okay
wo de ane de wo watimi aka wo bi ate we de ye fake twinina MPP for airport
all right
aye twini bia na me obie ni wa na dwene mu da ho pa se wa ye badwen bo beto aba ma MPP
okay
campus Bawumia
me that offer
economy na Akufo Addo ni Bawumia be pagya ye no ye mu say economy na true say wo ba no so be ka ya o man kan je say petrol 1 gallon aye 11 cedi 1 gallon 11 cedis any 12 cedis
that now the trust 60 18 o we try promise 11 cedi
and 1 liter aye 12 cedis wo say wa ya ade MDC to me sustain and digit inflation for 36 months.
Che.
36 good months.
Yeah, but boy yes no.
36 good months.
Boy yes ni entie.
Nana, why you?
About me expose.
Who buy you to me peja yen?
Nana, allow us to talk.
53 highest in the Ghana history. Catch him some boy. Ghana inflation. At 4th Republicans and Nuru even 40 that ultimately the year 53 and we are what country say who
Nana please
inflation first time in Ghana history 4th Republic Akufo Addo tamu inflation and they call the highest digit and the year can say
okay
Akufo Addo Bawumia omo 8 years na so
all right
Akufo Addo na catch 2016 say 8 years so na so Ghana for my 8 years and so na so te wo kwa for nkuku no nkakako
okay
na yenhwe aban foforo because say obi timi break 8 wo krom ya madam me so ani afi aka Rollins ere ke wo break 8
okay
so we you Rollins free work o man pani
na idea assembly
30 seconds
o man pani that down
1 second idea expose me ba talk ya carry me college next
o man rebata me de wa man bio
oh Nana give me chance to talk
who rebata me say me na me ye di ma na what can say me who say
Nana dey do na be so
intimidate why uni
me ba na mama
offer mo akasa
so na je ba program so no ye sa dey we na me no me born na paso
hey masa
Okay.
Because what you were chief of staff in Israel.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
Yeah,
mommy, 10 billion. Mommy, just 30 seconds. Mommy, just 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
30 seconds. 1 month, and you have visa. And you people communicate.
Use the internet. Use the internet.
I told you to just do. You didn't really. So.
Hello.
No call a line. Hello. Good morning.
Diane.
Middle.
Because I catch MPP for one who won't come on into what.
Okay.
So, more we are not here. We are won't come on into. And a mamma, my ding. Yeah, who feel me? Let's talk about my people near home. Nana, the Kurenu Mukasa, and Tagana, Suvie, or Donnet, who be in Hanuman can talk because residents of the city are not small, Becano, a Yasama, a resident of Quaba. What you can say, I fear I care immediate, making me every home. Into the other banners, one water into the show every because I could not know Papa dear. And it's who feelings I said, and you have 4 months now, some penny are gray or mine. I couldn't want to me, baby. I fear away and you know, so the future show, not your betting over your normal. There I wouldn't say, what borrows Kakra and senior for home. Or more do more interest in your tattoo. ABS can have borrow on the crowd by the what borrows is 200 that, not 200 in Albania. Oh, just have a change. Where am I more the woman? Let's say, man, you can so much as almost be any master. They say, oh, my wedding and correct question. I'm planning a new school, a few question, Diane, 200 cities. I do not any. My brother, my access, Bomiano Crown and Miami, no, the only who are basis of 2024. In the middle of the year, the next time, and I think you're a lumber, Lama, Mufanamla, only work with
Friday over by, let's accept a change about Musumsa, my political crime active Fridays. Waba. Hello, good morning. Also, beat me a friend, Yakwaka 9 minutes. So call me, Nayonko. Hello, good morning. Hello, Pachada, Mama, and Sokaka.
Good morning.
Good morning, City Pie. Pachuti wanna pay.
Hello. Morning, how are you?
Pacho Majoso, Pacho Moanonko.
Yeah, I'm the television. I congratulate you for the. Yeah, that boy started sitting there talking about the NPP. He is there, he's not going to vote for Bawumia. He knows what is going on in this country. So if Nana is talking now, is to listen to his father. Because he has grown past him. And he will know a lot of things in this country more than he. So he should not be there defending Bawumia. If we are animals, we are not going to vote for Bawumia again. Thank you all.
Thank you so much for your contribution. It's so welcome. Well, you can also call and, of course, contribute. 52 minutes after 7 a.m. Femi, na young media no ebony Anessa. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Maybe I didn't maybe a Femi free.
Now your family again.
But you eat one of it.
I'm a concern the patrons are MVP and this is no more this year. Just all one time we are moving on better. No one, I am here on the day. I believe. You know, move here. Or move the end of just to come from Ghana. There, you know, money having you. What I say, you can't call it you. You do. So the money must be there. So I'm now to you. So I'm getting here. Then you got shot out with all. MVP for help. I'm doing it for fast. I don't know somebody else. Matter we have other things to do. Or MVP and this, you know, probably that.
Yes, so let us say. Also, meet me a friend. I am 7 more minutes to go. So, they are Ghana. These two parties normally do, no matter what. It's MPP or NDC. Finito. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am.
Me do, pacho di ni baby afre mi free.
Yeah, from me, Martin, make us a free Western of Jabo.
Pacho intio.
Yeah. You better must see a Jumapa mobile and my na yeni one more multi one, you better one mother, you better one, and can't yeni MPP no. MPP no, yes, Renada, your Kikano, 7 years now, yes, TV, Mrs. no, young Colata. Ya bre woman sabi woman se mo ba bonti o mo keka no ya no mo refia na ano mo nyim se this time no social media nti di obeka bia no eda ho ana di obeka bia no eda ho nti o mo nkasa ja ho ma na eden e chichiri o mo hwe bibie because ye nti mamufo no ye bre o mo no ye de kakra hwe o mo afo no be o mo ba de o mo pibia no o mo keka ye nso na nya no na ye fili wo ha o ma me se ta o ye transaction di o papa ne kan se ye mo Dr. Baumia ba so abe ye no ma me so we transaction ebra we brempono we sika pa we de komo bi no etia na so we send mo mi mpo sika kakra yi se something mo mi ko ya yi se something no ma me ye ko ya na se bai o betra we won abo won atafo hene se wa ya bia me bi nka yes ro mo mo hwe bi na o ma na nya o mo dia o ma na ye yen kana fo ye nya dia na ye na ye nim ni pa ye de beba ma me da wa se nya juma pa
mo me da se nya me nka ho baby a wo bia femina yenko yenim of course akesima kakrabi now me sorry Jimmy so 55 minutes after 7. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Odo umpacha odini baby afre mi free.
We can do salary.
Le nti wano pe.
Pacho antipini no okasa tuma. So the man wants to ko yi. Don't have the man no. Abuwa.
Pacho etio. Oh. Anyway, sorry about that. Also, betting me, I'm free. I got 5 minutes. Why is so short? Of course. Pacho, hello, good morning.
Morning.
Hi, darling. Pacho, didn't maybe I frame me free.
Me say me not say me cause free bukuase.
Na Pacho, ain't you one of it?
Na me Pacho MPP ni no. I feel my bagana na so halada. So kasa se na ye die ba o mi o ono be ka kire ye say o ni ka mo be man ka mufo ni ayifo Christopher bom na be se bi san sa ye bi oba Ghana no ka mufo ni Christopher ye ko ito mo ni Christopher ye ti mi ti maso ati em chepe mi ni ka mufo ni na ye bi abom esu ye Christo ni nti so na se de ka o nya ka ana digitalization or can digitalization ye oba no economist what be say we you or ko Zimbabwe or ko say one economy what bag and what be say economy I say what say about digital after digital center mama see NDC for and no what be also digital me come and cha MPP ni na cha say the word digital was started by Pakwesi Indu ebra obey the president initiative na minister no Pakwesi Indu no obey ye e so MPP ni no ye yes is like ma ba je no obey ye anya sabi anopai toilet we kaso bi sama yen yes MPP for and dokro HCBs HCBs Ghana ha yen dokro pure water pump ya tufu Ghana ha every Ukraine pure water 50 pesos no ma ye be yi ni gidi se ba obi abi ade by the next term the first term in office no pure water box no ye the 1,000 cedis and beto Ghana and MPP for there is someone. Mama anye bikura no, yanye bikura no, you say sasa nyema bi.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Ghana, bye.
All right, so bye. Me fa ko bia ebiema aka 2 minutes from my studio na yen wrap it up. Na na yeko.
Me ne ba.
Na.
Magusu akase. Obia opese o man ne bobia.
Okay.
On pese o man Ghana be ko nanim ebetu mpon bia. Ena obeda adwen se yenkofa adwo mahama ne ndisi nsambre bio. Nju ye kola o ye hwanwani na ofre na bekeka sansem na o ye mambo for first class because opese sankofa adwo mahama ba. Jo mahama asem o ka tren se wo ye campaign a tro na obetumi atwa do the unthinkable so that the masses will accept you. Jo mahama o tina o tomo mrade no ye man ye nton mrade Imam na ye wo man yi mu eni abre a ye man yesi ho with Dr. Baumia. So ta say yen konkofa John Mahama the corrupt flag bearer of NDC no ye mom ko fa ne ma ne dui o chena na se debi ye mom fa ne ma iti me sre Ghana fo munjina mo kama ntom yem hwe enioma agency mumpo no still President Kufuado ekusu ye enioma odo ma mo nka bisa ho sa ho kire mu Kufuado say necessary and teacher training allowance mean to me light me dundum no or say free senior high school me year free go yenka hu za free senior high school na eso former President John Dramani Mahama daye no oba obetwem because we dey ka try and say nyanse nim se the free senior high school beba ntima mo na ma mo se enkofa John Mahama mre no mo a threat to the nation
nana ye da say ava
odo
ava ko
me wo fa ba ko akonta o lobi to jena for unit committee
okay
chairman we ada kura o mo program ha se
eni obeba
wo fa leba akonta me chio opani madam etiefu amohwe ye munyina wati
na mani ka senye ofa
bisu ye assembly man me chia
opani modo the woman say oh this the type of failure attitude of MPP. They don't believe in anything. And now I can't say you never pray from you to say you to name Tinaho Mama because almost you or my yes you meaning said Nana Nadia catch as a Kufuado or failure humanity. You to need the Baumia Banwa Betty or minus you pray back. Let him Nadia Okano. What see?
Yeah, dear man. Yeah, dear my with Dr. Baumia. Yeah, dear my yes, yeah, dear my yes, John Mahama made the president. Yeah, oh, made the brim. Yeah, dear my
Napo 2016.
One got
that was say. Dia kotoa 2000
a tronji
2007 bam Atamelsa and say Atuabama Rollins.
Okay.
MPP forecast asking we had as one can you ponku Atamis Kaka to go back to Rollins 24/7 catch one year Rollins na na betina kunya.
Okay.
I claim the case says Otuabama Wabumia. It is
Ghana be
okay.
So the Naja Casa was saying GM mine a seawall because Kufuado near Chimafia and
your mama Pesoba. It's here, but GM
a Kufuado ne a Chimfana.
I Ghana ye.
Omo Pomo Mafia, but
all right, me that say
only Suro, Kakra better free.
Yo, me that say of course what Nana J, of course, MPP communication team member, so and so NDC communication team member, of course, the executive producer for the show, Sam Darkus, please, Sanso and a director, Adumako Jr., OG, as the place OG for something for Sanso, and I don't know if we go platform, so no, you better one more active famous and in the face out, and I am Chidon, MC, I don't do much now, even Samba, maybe Diane. Do hine ya kramo bye